Hey there, everybody. Happy Friday to you. I'm Storm Track 8 meteorologist Marcus Bailey, and been a while since I've done one of these webcasts, and so I'm trying to get back in the swing of things, trying out a new program, too. So I'm not going to be real in-depth with this. We don't have anything significant going on. Just kind of wanted to test things out and talk about the weekend forecast. So let's kind of dive down and show you what's going on. I'm going to start with radar as I'm recording this just after 2 o'clock. Actually, we're getting closer to around 2:30, 2:18. There are some spotty showers and even a few rumbles of thunder setting up across the area. You can see portions of Hamilton County, Noblesville to Zionsville. Pretty good storm there up around Cicero. Western Madison County around LaPel, heading towards Anderson. You got a pretty heavy rainmaker now between Yorktown and Muncie up in Delaware County. Also a few sporadic cells that are trying to get going between Greenfield and Cambridge City, just south of I-70. And then some heavy rain closing in on Greensburg down in Decatur County. Bartholomew County, you've got some scattered showers, and also around Morgan County as well. So just kind of popcorn little cells that are firing across the area. Let me flip over to visible satellite, and I've been peeking outside here. I live south of Indianapolis and have seen some rays of sunshine. They've been few and far between, but some of that heating is starting to help add to the instability as there's a low that continues to kind of churn across the state. So with that, that's why you're seeing a lot of these flare-ups here. So there's still a lot of cloud cover, but we're getting some breaks, and that's allowing for some of the storms to get going. Let's walk you through the evening high-resolution model. This takes you hour by hour. I'm going to go ahead and skip ahead to 6 o'clock this evening. By the way, if you want to follow along with the timestamp there right in the top right, it says Friday, 1800 EDT. So that is military time. So that is tonight, 6 o'clock Eastern Daylight Time. Still some rain around. Likely going to have some showers, although I think it becomes a lot more isolated, even more so than what it is now late tonight, especially once we lose some of the daytime heating. I think certainly by late tonight, just after many of you head to bed, we should be in pretty good shape, and that will be quiet for the remainder of the overnight hours. So we're looking good there. Let's talk about the weekend forecast. The system that brought the rain Thursday and then again today finally exits to the east. Drier air is going to move in. This is Saturday afternoon here. Looks good. Dry air in place, high pressure to the north, lots of sunshine. Temperature's a little bit cooler, but we'll get on the back end of that high and warm up nicely as we head into Sunday. This is Sunday morning. We are tracking a couple of waves as we open up the work week. Don't think they'll arrive until Monday, so let's go ahead and skip ahead to Monday early afternoon. See this low that's starting to move in just west of the Mississippi. That's going to bring us some rain chances. I think pretty scattered on Monday. Better chances coming in Monday overnight heading into Tuesday if this model holds true. And then continuing into Tuesday afternoon. Looking ahead to the middle of the week, pretty potent system here. That's out in the Central Plains. This is Wednesday. This would be closer to midnight. So Wednesday overnight from coming in from Tuesday. And that's going to continue to move to the east. And we'll start to see the effects of that by Wednesday afternoon and likely into Thursday as well if this model holds true. Potentially some heavy rain. So we'll watch out for that. Luckily, we didn't pick up some real heavy numbers over the past couple of days in Indianapolis. And it was some much-needed rain. We've gone about 8 days without rain here in Indy. This is going to continue to move to east, and I think Friday and at least Saturday looks to be dry. May have to bring in a chance for rain on Sunday. In terms of severe weather, nothing standing out for central Indiana, but I did want to bring this to your attention here. This is day 5 for the severe weather outlook from the Storm Prediction Center, and they have a 30% area highlighted for places like Oklahoma City, Wichita, Kansas, Tulsa, Oklahoma. And with it being 5 days out, that's pretty significant. So eye-catching if you're a weather nut, that's going to be a day you're going to want to watch. And again, that is next Tuesday. So Tuesday, April 26th. That you're going to want to keep a careful eye on. That severe weather threat then will move eastward into portions of Illinois, Missouri, Arkansas, and still holding on to eastern Texas and Oklahoma. That's for Wednesday the 27th. So those of you that are watching this webcast from Illinois, just an early heads up about Wednesday. No slam dunks in terms of the forecast there. So a lot can change, but it's just worth noting. In terms of temperatures, as we head into the next several days, in fact, I'll take you all the way into the first week of May, rather. You got a couple of cool downs, nothing too significant. First is going to come this weekend. High still at or slightly above average, at least to start it off Saturday. You see with the 66, but mid-70s to close out the weekend. We'll hold there Monday. We fall back a bit Tuesday and Wednesday. Overnight lows, maybe a little chilly on Wednesday morning. This particular model, this ensemble, has in the low 40s, so outlying areas could sneak into the 30s. So maybe a patchy frost situation. We'll keep an eye on that. And then you've got numbers back to the mid-70s for really the end of the work week, heading into the weekend. We start off May on a week from Sunday. Numbers looking very good. The average temperatures to start off the month of May are right around 69, 70 degrees in Indianapolis. So right now, this ensemble has us running well above average, so we're in pretty good shape. All right, that's going to do it for this webcast here. Again, as I mentioned, I was going to keep it pretty brief. Nothing significant down the pipe. I'm off again today. This is my Sunday, so I will be back at it heading into the weekend. Meteorologist Ebony Dion has you covered on the TV side tonight. Wish TV 5, 6, 10, and 11. And then I will see you with Drew Blair early Saturday and Sunday morning, 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. on Wish TV. And if you are out of market, you can always watch us online at wishtv.com. Have a great Friday. Have a great weekend. Stay safe. Enjoy the beautiful weather, and we'll chat at you soon.